Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to run diagnostics on a LENOVO IdeaPad 5. First, shut down your laptop if it's currently on. Then after shutting it down, wait for half a minute. And on the left side of your laptop, most probably, I'm gonna check it. Actually no, so maybe on the bottom of the laptop. Yes, on the bottom there is a small hole and you'll need to use a pin, needle or anything else that will fit into that hole. Just press it in once the laptop is off. Now the laptop will turn itself on. Then, use the keyboard to go to UEFI Diagnostics with arrows, of course, and now it'll turn that on. And you can select what to test. You can test storage, memory, CPU, display, motherboard, touch. You can find smart information, bad block recovery or system information. And actually, I think I'm just gonna test like the touch. It sounds interesting. And now I'm gonna click on C to confirm. And now I need to click on OK. Then you can touch on the display and see if there's like any place that doesn't recognize touch. In my case, I think everywhere the touch works, but yeah, feel free to test it out on your own. And once you want to exit, just click on escape, then enter. And it's passed because I've selected that it worked correctly. And I'm gonna click on home now. Escape, yeah. And I'm gonna exit. You can test all the other stuff, of course. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.